Yeah, anytime you're ready.
Okay, so what you're seeing here is basically an LG Optimus Black device. This was announced yesterday, and this is your standard, typical Android device. It has all your applications, and the environment that you're currently seeing is the personal environment. So the product that we're introducing here is a mobile virtualization platform, and what this allows you to do is to run multiple operating systems at the same time on the same device. So one environment is focused on your personal use of the device, and the other environment is an environment that's managed and provisioned by your employer, the enterprise, and is focused on the work environment. So it has all the security, liability concerns taken care of that the enterprise cares about without affecting your personal usage of the device.
Interesting. And so what are the limitations of what you can do within the OS?
So within the OS, on the personal side, none. So this does not affect anything on the personal side. That's one of the primary goals of this environment. On the enterprise side, this is basically a completely managed environment. So it's secure. The data address is always encrypted. The communication line is always encrypted. It's a VPN connection back to the internet at all times. And sort of applications that run here are provisioned by the enterprise, and they're managed remotely. So there's a complete set of policies that apply to this environment, and the enterprise is in charge. They can remotely log or wipe this device if they so desire, but the beauty of it is that it will never touch anything on the personal side. Again, two completely different operating systems running side by side simultaneously on the same device.
And A/B comparison between the two of them in performance terms, how do they compare? Right?
They're basically on par. As you can see, basically the two environments act and breathe the same way. You can do you can switch back and forth between the two environments, and the thing to note is that basically both environments are running natively. This is a virtualization solution, and so both environments are running natively at the same time, as opposed to an emulation environment.
Okay, so they both have their own space and storage, and where does it live? Like the guest OS, where is it living on?